Hello, I'm gli-chan. I don't speak English at all, but ChatGPT is kindly helping me translate. This channel introduces the original forms of kanji and how they are used in Japan today. By learning why each kanji looks the way it does and what meanings it carries, your kanji study will surely become much more fun. Today's kanji is yen. The modern character N comes from an older form, N. The key part of N is the word yen, which originally showed a kanai, a three-legged bronze vessel. At first, this vessel was just for cooking food, but later it became a sacred object for rituals and even a symbol of royal power. Then, circle enclosing the character was added as a sign saying, "Hey, this character is pronounced N." That was the beginning of the character N. Other kanji were made in the same way, like N, which also means N, a garden. Over time, N was shortened to the simpler N. This simplified form already appeared in Japan's Heian period, more than 1,000 years ago. Later, in the Meiji era, when Japan changed from samurai rule to imperial rule and officially became the name of Japan's currency, and can also be read as maru, round. There is another kanji maru, which also means round, and usually means a flat circle, while maru often means a 3D sphere. Both shapes have no corners, no cracks, no flaws. That is why these words also describe harmony and perfection. For example, enmen means relationships are peaceful and smooth, and juku means a person has matured, with long experience and wisdom. And if someone has a round personality, it means they're kind and easygoing, not that they're shaped like a ball. You can also find N in Japanese traditions. At shrines, people often offer a 5-yen coin. Why? Because goen sounds the same as goen, a connection, a bond. So tossing in a 5-yen coin is like wishing, "May I have a good connection." In daily life, we say entaku, a round table, where everyone is equal. In sports, players huddle together in a circle, forming a ninjin. Again, N brings people together. And here's a funny modern example. There's also a surprising story about architecture. This is the old Bank of Japan building in Tokyo, seen from above. Its shape looks just like the kanji N. When it was built, people still wrote N, so the architect never intended that. But by coincidence, the building matches today's N. It feels like the future of the kanji was hiding in its walls all along. Quite a mysterious N connection, don't you think? Now, let's practice writing the kanji. Here is the stroke order of N. Please follow along and try to copy it when you practice. Learning the correct stroke order will help you write more beautifully and quickly. So the kanji N began with sacred vessels, then became Japan's currency, and now lives in culture, architecture, and daily life. It means circle, harmony, and connection. And just like its shape, the story of N keeps going round and round.